All right, Fiends, so I have another unboxing for you. This one is a very large box. It also looks like it has Homer Simpson on the side, so it's very intriguing. So it's gonna take up most of the frame, but it's okay. We're gonna crack it open and see what we've got. I'm gonna stand up. What is it? Ah! Yay! Okay, so this is, let me take this out so you can see. This is so exciting. You can't even see me. This is from GhostStop.com. Okay, here we go. Let me get this out and then we shall resume. Okay, so this is, like I said, from GhostStop.com. If you're not familiar with GhostStop.com, you can get all of your ghost hunting gear there. And there was also this little pen. It's a little light up pen in the package. And it's a simple thing, because it's got a little stylus on the end. I'm already excited, and I haven't even opened up this fabulous case with my name and logo on the front. And it's got that cute little ghosty ghost on the back. And it says GhostStop.com. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna put these little goodies to the side, and we're gonna open up this fabulous case and see what's in there. I love a good case to protect all of your gear. Oh my goodness. Okay, so hold on to your hats, folks. Here we go. So first, and can I say this case has all the foam in it and it's all cut out? I'm gonna hold it back a little bit so you can see. So there's a little stress ball ghost. How cute. And then we have, oh my God, this is so clever. And then we have an orb in a bottle. Look at how adorable. These things are definitely going on the set somewhere. And then there's another little keychain and another little light pen. There is a card with instructions and how to on the ghost hunting equipment, which I don't need because I know how to use all this stuff. There's a memory card and adapter in here. We have a flashlight. Boop. Can never have enough of these. Then we have, oh wow, we have a little motion detector. That's supposed to go like that. So you can mount that if you wanted to. I don't have one of these, so this is great. Then we have a laser grid. I actually don't have one of these, so this is perfect. So I have a complete ghost hunting kit. I have my spirit box. I have all sorts of readers. I have EVP recorders. I have like a ton of stuff, but already there's so many items in this little gift kit that I do not have. I'm excited to try out this laser grid. This is a rook. Yes, and I have one of these, but the great thing about this is when I go ghost hunting with my fiends, now we have multiple tools so everyone can participate. And this is the Spirit Box Ghost Scanner, but this is a smaller version, which is kind of nice because the one that I have is like the SB11, it's the bigger one. This is a cute little handy pocket-sized. Yes. Oh my God. And what else do we have in here? We have an 8 GB. Oh, I believe this, yes it is. Which is so cool because the one that I have broke. So you can record your EVPs on this handy dandy wristwatch. And there is, where is it? I'm gonna put it on. Even cooler, It has a frickin' headphone adapter built into it. So, this is like so nerding out on ghost hunting gear right now. You could plug in your headphones straight into the recorder on your wrist. I mean, perfect. This is so amazing. Huge thank you to GhostStop.com for all of these insane goodies. This is the perfect ghost hunting kit on the go in the most perfect case. Wherever you go, throw it in the car. I mean, I'm gonna take this everywhere this spooky season. So stay tuned, Fiends.